This video walks through the PowerMonitor 5000 Power Quality and Energy Management Multi-Device Dashboard for FactoryTalk Optix. This dashboard is ideal for managing and visualizing data from multiple PowerMonitor 5000 devices at various levels in the plant. On the left side of the dashboard is the energy model. The energy model is built using a script import and allows you to select various levels of your plant to automatically update the dashboard view, even down to the individual device level. You can change which dashboard is displayed using the available tabs at the bottom. The Common dashboard provides a view of key electrical KPIs and system status indicators across multiple PowerMonitor 5000 devices. The Energy dashboard uses stored energy and demand data to present aggregated energy views across multiple devices. Users can view and analyze consumption, demand, and power factor trends to identify actionable insights that lower cost, improve efficiency, and support smarter operational decisions. The Power Quality Events dashboard aggregates all power quality events such as sags, swells, and transients detected by the PowerMonitor 5000 meters under the selected organizational node and within the selected time period. This dashboard provides power quality event summaries grouped by type, frequency of events over time, duration analysis, and a detailed power quality event log with waveform indicators. The ITI and Semi F47 dashboard plots voltage sags and swells against established tolerance curves. This allows users to assess whether a disturbance poses a risk to equipment operation. The Alarm Log dashboard consolidates alarm events from multiple devices into a single view. It shows users what alarms are occurring and how frequently, enabling faster analysis and informed response. The Calendar Trends dashboard organizes data into a calendar-style view. This allows you to quickly compare weekday versus weekend energy use, identify abnormal days or shifts at a quick glance, and easily identify energy or demand anomalies. You can drill deeper into the data by selecting a calendar day to analyze daily trends. You can change the view from Trend View to Values View so you can easily see the average, minimum, and maximum values for a given day. The Trend Viewer dashboard allows electrical parameters to be trended for different PowerMonitor 5000 devices at the same time. Viewing trends in parallel helps visualize correlations, verify load management strategies, and proactively identify developing equipment issues. For example, you can compare consumption for two production lines, or two similar machines, or compare demand for different areas of the plant. Up to 5 tags can be selected at once. The Reports dashboard enables on-demand and scheduled generation of energy reports in PDF format. Reports are scoped to the currently selected organizational node and include energy KPIs such as total energy, peak demand, and power factor, as well as consumption analysis. Reports are saved to the configured report storage path. This path can be configured in FactoryTalk Optix Studio. The Help tab provides comprehensive reference information for the PowerMonitor 5000 Power Quality and Energy Management dashboard. This section contains all the help information needed to understand, configure, and operate the dashboard system effectively. This concludes the video of the PowerMonitor 5000 Power Quality and Energy Management Multi-Device Dashboard for FactoryTalk Optix.